First you pour the juice out. That's gonna be the thing. First you pour the juice out. Okay. Once you pour the juice. Because like I've been seeing people taste it a little bit.
Oh. Oh, I'm so scared.
You need scissors?
Oh no. Y'all, I am so scared. Oh, I just dropped one, but I'm just gonna just use this one. It's salt and lemon powder. Oh, that's already. Oh, is it already leaking? Okay. So we got Talkies. Y'all, my mom wanted me to do this. Why? Don't know. It's sweet and sour candy flavored powder. But this looks like it's supposed to be hot. Ooh. Oh, Lucas. I don't know who Lucas is. Oh my god, this is a chamoy flavored. And then I wonder if this is hot too. How do you say this? Squinkles? Squinkles? Let's see. And then, like I said, the salt and lemon powder. Ooh. The chamoy, I think it's already leaking. So I'm about to pour the juice out. It is leaking. I'm about to pour the juice out of this, but it's a jumbo chamoy pickle. And then you gotta do the fruit roll up. Okay, hold on, y'all. Ooh. And it's so much juice. It's so red. Oh, can y'all see it? It looks like it's black. Ooh, that's scary. My mom want me to taste to see if it's hot. Because if it's hot already, I ain't gonna be able to eat it. Oh, it stank. Look how... I'm so excited. I don't even know what to do with my hands, honey. Now, how people do it? I don't even know. I just gotta... Ooh.
Cut the top part.
Should I cut it in half?
No.
Just cut it.
Cut it in half. Make it smaller.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it in half because what if I like the hotness but not all that stuff on it? I'm so scared. I'm gonna put it back in the juice.
Now you just gotta.
Ooh, red that is. Ooh, it smells like I don't know.
Pickle do.
Ooh. What possessed? And it's still so juicy. Goodness gracious. It's like it's overflowing in juice. I mean, I know pickles usually are though. Should I get a spoon? My fave is here today. She don't want to be on camera today though. Maybe she'll do it next time, y'all. She should be the one doing this. She be wanting to watch people's stuff. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. Ma, how you gut it out? Oh, yeah, it go. Ooh. I'm about to get some ice cream or something. Cause yeah. Maybe I'm overreacting. It just smells weird. What is chamoy? Cause it just smells weird. All right, y'all. So we gotta gut it out. We gonna. We gonna only do like.
I don't like talking.
I'm gonna do 3. Y'all. Hold on. I should have opened this first. I want to know if this is hot. I'm gonna taste this. Oh, it's a watermelon flavor. I just seen it. It smells real watermelon. Watermelon-y. Is this hot? Ew. That tastes like plastic. So I know y'all lying about this. I know y'all already lying about this. Talk about it so good and stuff, because that tastes like plastic. Watermelon plastic. Okay, what else I gotta put on it? Oh, this stuff. I wanted to get the blue one, y'all, but I'm cheap. Wait, I'm supposed to wrap it first? Wrap it or put it on first?
You can wrap it if you want to. Because that's going to be the last part.
What? Is this hot? Is everything hot now? What is this? What is this?
You got to probably undo the top.
Or you got to snap it. What is it?
And that rope?
No, I snapped the thing like I said. Is this hot? Oh, this good.
That's what they be choking from.
Whoa. Whoa. Why that so smoky in your nose? All right, let's do this. And then we're gonna do a chamoy. The chamoy sauce. Oh, I probably don't even want to do the chamoy sauce.
Yeah, I got mine.
What, that little piece? I don't, whatever this is.
I got them Kool-Aid packets.
Yeah, Kool-Aid packet. That's what my mom said, Kool-Aid packet. But that is loud. When I tell you it's loud, this thin thing gonna fit around that big old. Don't do it right. I ain't did it right. It's gonna fit around it.
No, we go halfway.
Like this.
Yeah.
Oh, or maybe like this. The one y'all be doing, I be seeing it go all around it. Am I not doing it right?
They might got two. Oh, you can stretch it? No, it's going home.
Okay, y'all. What else? Let's try the this too on it. I ain't never seen this one. This little piece. You be seeing this one? I just know it's about to be so delicious, y'all. The yummy yum. Yeah, no. I don't know. See if you open it. Let me see if I can do it with the other hand. Oh, did it? Oh, y'all. Y'all. Y'all, hold on. Let me take a picture of myself. Maybe that's a sign. Lord saying, girl, don't do it, sweetie. Let me try it. Can it tell you directions on how to open it, maybe? Oh, is it only... Oh.
I'm losing it up.
It is.
You gotta tape it first before you put it up.
Yeah. Oh, Oh, I'm so scared. No, I'm not doing that. No, I don't taste nothing. I don't taste nothing. Uh-oh. Hold on.
Don't taste it. Don't put it on.
Ooh, I think I do taste something. Okay.
Don't put it on.
I ain't gonna put it on. Like that?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's too hard.
Yeah, bon appetit. Oh, I think I'm gonna need a bag to throw this. Y'all, why would I do this? Why? Listen, since I'm trying this, y'all need to get me to 1,000 likes. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I want you to be with me, Mom. Listen, I got my y'all know I'm scared. But one twist is inside, one twist is outside, because I'm panicking, honey. Ooh, I'm so scared. Should I cut it?
That might choke you too.
What's that?
A lot of people be coughing. That powder, you cough when you put it on, go ahead, do it.
Okay. Wait a minute. It's weird. Ew, don't tell me I like something like this. I can't. Wait, it's weird. It's weird, but like it's good and weird. But it's weird. It's just weird. It's not as hot as a lot of people say it is. I'm gonna try it again. Them Takis though is disgusting. Do I like sweet stuff? I'm gonna try the other drinks. I'm gonna try the other pickles that's flavored because I might like the sweet ones. I think I just didn't do it right before. That second bite might have did something. It's still not nasty. It's just weird, y'all. Let me know if y'all tried this. It gets spicy after the second bite. Them Takis, you could just take that out. I might eat a hot pickle with a fruit roll up. And that's weird. Oh, I don't know. It's like good and nasty and weird. Y'all just gotta try it. I'm gonna put the link down below of the one that I got. And it was only $18, maybe 19 with shipping. And here it is again. That's what it looked like. It's just juicy. Don't know why I wore a white shirt, but try it, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.